Hello guys, today's topic is solving simple equation. Solving simple equations. Now, in summary, an equation will remain balanced provided we do the same thing to both sides. Let's take a quick look at some examples under solving simple equations. Number 1, x plus 8 equals 19. Now, if you are solving question like this, the first thing you do is to collect like terms. Collect like terms by saying x equals, I'm going to move 8 to the other side. Now, don't forget there's a sign at the back of 8, which means if this plus crosses to the other side, the sign changes to minus. So that means 19 minus 8. Our x equals 19 minus 8 gives what? 11. Another example under simple equation is when we have z minus 9 equals 0. Now, in this case, the first thing is to collect like terms, because this and this, 9 and 0, does not have any coefficient of z in them. So we have z, after collecting like terms, collect like terms. So that means z equals 0. Now this is plus 9. If this plus crosses to the other side, the sign changes to what? Plus, which gives plus 9. So z equals to 9. Example 3. Example 3. Example 3. 6a plus 7 equals 25. 6a plus 7 equals 25. Now, you can tell that 7 and 25 are siblings because they don't have the coefficient of a in them. So I'm going to collect like terms. Collect like terms by saying 6a equals 25. The plus is crossing to the other side, so definitely it's going to change to a negative 7. Now we have 6a equals 25 minus 7 gives 18. Now, for us to get the a, I'm going to divide both sides. Divide both sides by 6. So which is 6a divided by 6 equals 18 divided by 6. Now, 6 is going to cross out 6. We are left with a equals to 18 divided by 6. 6 here 1. 6 in 18 gives 3. That means the a equals 3. Do you understand? Example 4. Example 4. Example 4. Minus 2x plus 10 equals minus 8. Minus 2x plus 10 equals minus 8. Now, the first thing you do is to collect like terms. We have 2x minus 2x equals minus 8. Now, this is a positive term. If it crosses to the other side, it changes to a negative. That's negative 10. Now we have minus 2x equals minus 8 minus 10 gives minus 18. Now, the reason why this negative sign is there is because in mathematics, minus means you are owing. Now, I'm owing two different people, 8 and 10. For me to know the total numbers of amount I'm owing, the first thing you do is to write the negative sign, then add the numbers together. Now, after doing that, to get the value of x, you divide both sides by a negative 2. Divide both sides by a negative 2. So that means minus 2x divided by a negative 2 equals a negative 18 divided by negative 2. Now, we divided both sides by a negative 2. This cancel this. Minus cancel minus. 2 here 1. 2 in 18 gives 9. So, the final answer, which is x, equals 9. Do you understand? Now, let's take a look at some class tasks under simple equations. Class tasks under simple equations. Class tasks. Question 1. Now, after the end of each questions, I'm going to be counting 1 to 10 in order for us to solve the corrections. Question 1. 8z minus 16 equals 0. 8z minus 16 equals 0. After the count of 10, we are going to solve the correction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, let's take a look at the correction. I'm going to collect like terms. Collect like terms. Now, we have 8z equals 0. This is a minus sign. If it crosses to the other side, it changes to a positive sign, which is plus 16. So we have 8z equals 0 plus 16 gives 16. Now, to get the z, we divide both sides by 8. Divide both sides by 8. So that means 8z over 8 equals 16 over 8. 8 cancel 8. 8 here 1. 8 in 16 gives what? 2. So that means Z equals 2. Question 2. Question 2. Question 2. Minus y plus 7 equals 10. Minus y plus 7 equals 10. After the count of 10, I'm going to solve the correction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we'll collect like tens. Collect like tens. Now we have minus y equals 10 minus 7 minus y equals 3. 10 take away 7 gives 3. So now to get the y, we divide both sides. Divide both sides by a negative 1 because the coefficient of this y is 1. So now we have minus y divided by minus 1 equals 3 divided by minus 1. This cancel this. Now y equals 3 divided by minus 1 will give us a minus 3. Do you understand? Now let's take a look at the last question under simple equation. Question number 3. Question 3. Question 3. Question 3. Zero equals minus 7 minus x over 9. 0 equals minus 7 minus x over 9. After the count of 10, I will solve the question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, here we collect like terms. Collect like terms. Now, these two are siblings, right? So that means 0, my minus, this minus will cross the other side and it will change to a positive 7 equals minus x over 9. 0 plus 7 is 7 equals minus x over 9. Now, in this case, the next thing to do is to cross multiply. Cross multiply. Cross multiply. I'm going to cross multiply by saying 1 times minus x, that's minus x, equals 7 times 9, which is 63. So after doing that, I'm going to divide both sides. Divide both sides by a -1 because the coefficient of this x here is 1. Now, if I divide both sides by -1, x equals, this cancel this, 63 divided by -1 gives -63. Do you understand? Do you understand? Good job. Thanks for tuning into my videos. For more videos, please kindly follow my channel on YouTube. Stay blessed. Bye.